Welcome back with inspiration source from epic stories like Ramayana and maybe a little from the legendary Beauty and the Beast. Mani Ratnam's new offering Ravan surely aroused a lot of pre-release curiosity the world over. The leading team gathered the top crop of global media, seated them down together and did a video press conference. Of course, HLD team was here to cover this unique chat just for you. Take a look. The video conferencing was done between the Ravan team and the leading media personalities from New York, Dubai, Mumbai, New Delhi and Chennai. One of the first of its kind, this press conference certainly saved a lot of time and money.
सब लोग पूछते रहते हैं कि is this the Ramayana? Is this the Ramayana? We've always said जी नहीं ये रामायण नहीं है, it's the Ramayana.
यानी ये रावण की कहानी है.
I mean, yeah, with a title like that, I think, yeah, it's a good conclusion to draw.
I'd like to ask Mr. Mani Ratnam a question. Though I can't see him, I guess. I can't
It's
see
okay,
him.
it's okay.
Oh,
It doesn't matter if you don't see me. You can just ask.
Well, I think this is your third film with Abhishek, and the last two films have been with Abhishek. Why Abhishek?
Why am I being left out? Third film with me also.
Yeah, well, both of you, yeah. So why both of them in the lead roles? What did you see?
I'm so happy you've asked him this question because I also want to hear something from him about this.
Fully praises.
No, I think when you cast, I think it's a huge decision in the making. I think 50% of my job gets done by casting it correct. So if you have some character which you think will be right for an actor, and if you think that you can take an aspect that he has not done before, which is what I think worked with me and Abhishek, that we did something which is drastically different from the two we have done before. So it makes it all the more difficult, and we basically go back to the same position as we started at, where we don't know where to go, we don't know how to put the character across. So we struggle through our film. So that's what makes it work.
He's being nice. I'm the only one who's badly behaved enough to portray this character. That's all. He knows me too well. He knows I'm badly behaved. So he said, "Chalo, you play this badly behaved character."
Actually, when I did the first film with Abhishek, I was very, very worried that he was a, very proper, straightforward guy. So I wanted him to learn to use bad words, learn to, let go. I didn't know that there was a monster inside.
Then you tried to tame him with Guru. That didn't work. So you finally just said, let him.
It's a fact. I still remember after Mani had taken me on for Yuva, he actually, one of the briefs were, from now till we start shooting, which was a good 6-7 months, is all I want you to do is learn how to abuse. He says, learn how to be abused, stop being so proper all the time. Little did he know.
Mani Ratnam is known for his signature touch and has given mega hits like Yuva, Rosa, Dil Se and Guru. So a lot of expectations were pent up for this release too. Some have appreciated the hard work and grit, while some have rubbished it. Well, that's what showbiz is all about. You got to be ready for the glory and the big bats.
I think by far the toughest thing for me was to do, which even very wonderfully Mani would support me, and so would Santosh and the entire crew, where we do two films simultaneously. I think that was the toughest thing, to keep switching languages and doing it. But every time I'd look desperately at Mani, he would give me back the same expression saying, I know, I'm also doing this simultaneously for the first time. So we were all in it together. And I think it's just wonderful how Mani keeps that spirit going within the team, that even when we all are pushing ourselves, it is we all are doing it. It's not any individual, it's literally the whole team doing it. And it was a huge adventure, and I think at the end of the day, we all somewhere enjoyed it completely.
Abhishek?
No, I wasn't apprehensive at all. In fact, I was the complete opposite. I was looking forward to the stunts. Because if we were doing stunts, that means we weren't doing the scenes, and I was happy about that. It's like, scene nahi kare, chalo bhaiya, jaan chhut gayi. I had no problem doing whatever, sliding down a cliff or whatever. I mean, although I regretted it for the next 4 days after that because I couldn't sit properly. But you know, anything to get out of the scenes. I still remember when we first had our first schedule in Atirapalli, I used to come back every night and like at night, because thankfully I had my wife, I used to tell her, you think it'll rain really heavily and school will get cancelled tomorrow? Because I was so petrified of going onto set, and I haven't been so scared to go onto set to do a scene since Guru actually, and and it was, you know, I was petrified of the scenes because what was wonderful about Bira and about Ravan as a film is, with Mani, obviously he's going to give you something and make you really work hard. So if it's a dramatic scene, you have a dramatic scene going on and Mani will say, okay, but play it like a comedy scene. Like you would approach, Bira would approach it in a totally different light. So Kenny sir and I were forever scratching our foreheads saying, you know, what's going on? How do we do this? And so I used to look forward to when we're going to be jumping off stuff and blowing up people and killing people and you know, that kind of stuff. I looked forward to it because that means no dialogues and no performance in that which way. So I was happy.
Mr. Mani Ratnam is mild at heart, okay, and wild at field. Do you agree?
He's mild at heart and wild on the field.
We don't know him that well, you know. I want to say something about Mani, and I can only say this because of the fact that I'm sitting in Mumbai and he's in Chennai and he can't hit me. The thing is, whichever film Mani makes, he is the hero's character. Because you have to understand, he thinks of these things. He came up with the idea of 10 heads. We were very happy playing one Bira. Suddenly he said, no, we should do 10 heads. It's all his idea. Mani is not mild at heart at all. He's a lion heart. He leads his unit from the front. He's an absolute leader and a captain, and that's it. He's completely a lion heart. He's not wild at heart, he's a lion heart.
What's the bubble on your head saying right now, Mani, to that remark? I'm so curious.
Shut up, just shut up. That's what he's saying.
Poda. Shut up, poda.
I think Mani, as a director, is also asking his audience a question. And I think that question is, what is right, what is wrong, and who is to decide? You know, what is right for Bira in the film is completely wrong for Dev. But who is to decide that Dev is right and Bira is wrong, or Bira is right and Dev is wrong? So I think there is something a bit more serious as a subtext in the film that I think Mani is asking, which is, what is right, what is wrong, and who are we to judge? And should we be judging? I think it's, you know, view a situation from a particular point of view before judging, and then view it from another person's point of view before passing judgment on that person. That's what I took away after performing the film. Right, Mani?
Impressed.
बस इतना ही. आप सबके ईमेल्स और कमेंट्स के लिए धन्यवाद. लॉग ऑन टू आवर फेसबुक एंड ट्विटर पेज टू कैच ऑल द एक्शन, और यूट्यूब पर देखिए वो एपिसोड्स जो आपने ऑन एयर मिस किए हो. कीप वॉचिंग अस एज वी विल सून बी कवरिंग अ न्यू डेस्टिनेशन फॉर यू. आफ्टर एक्सप्लोरिंग द बजिंग सिटी ऑफ हांगकांग, द मैजिक ऑफ मकाओ एंड द मिस्टिकल आइलैंड नेशन ऑफ मालदीव्स, इट्स टाइम we take you to discover a new culture in our luxury global travel segment. I'll see you all next week. Till then, keep living the high life. This is Uma signing off.